I really don't like about him is that he doesn't understand the cover video.
Cuz this is not what I want.
The only pictures that we have that are pitching this year, Julio, Trevor, and me. Oh, this is my part right here, one away. Yeah. Hopefully I can start pitching. Yeah. Here we go. Girls that don't do girls. That don't like feeling about feeling out. Wait, one more something? I know I throw like 6 different pitches, but I learned how to throw. I just learned how to throw in the game we played against Liverpool. I learned how to throw it while I was pitching. So like I was up on the mound, I was like, I'm gonna try this. So I just I'm gonna take it. But I fucking 20 minutes, you know, it's only strike 2, but I was like, oh, here we go. I was hella juice. Sometimes like I can do it, sometimes all like lose control. Especially if no part of me is started. Like I can't get it.
Okay, is this a show? Is this a show?
Yeah, go ahead.
She's not on here. She don't want to be on here.
I know, right? You sure wasn't seeing that election party when you was ready to get paid?
Is this it? This is it? Yep.
Alright, bro, it's over, guys.
Say your goodbye.
Alright, bro, free CJ.
Alright, add me on Instagram. Suck my J's. SUCKNYJAYS.
Oh yeah, spell
Okay.
CJ.
Okay.
Hey, come over here. Spell CJ True all lowercase. Football player, varsity number 8. You're good.
This is hella Ratchets.
You can call phone number 2.
And subscribe, please.
What's your middle name, Cornelius?
Please subscribe to Super Sweet Love 143. Fuck all you other niggas. Yeah. You didn't know that?